Welcome to the Bud Rot Eradication Strategy video. We're tackling the nightmare inside your grow room, Botrytis. Signs include unnaturally dark, soft, or mushy buds that collapse into gray dust. You can stop bud rot without ruining your harvest. The goal is to halt fungal spread instantly, protect late-stage flower quality, and ensure zero toxic chemical residue. Botrytis hacks your plants by originating deep inside dense structures. It thrives in high-humidity microclimates and remains invisible until the plant is critically infected. Early detection is key to catching it before it goes airborne. Look for discolored or darkened clusters, unexplained soft or mushy spots, and sudden localized leaf death. Compared to harsh chemicals, Grower's Choice Plant Guard 420, our proprietary potassium-based hypochlorous acid formula, CleanTech, offers superior results. Harsh chemicals leave toxic residue and are ineffective inside dense buds. Grower's Choice Plant Guard 420 provides zero residue and breaks down pathogens on contact, making it harvest safe. Follow this 5-step eradication protocol. First, remove all damaged leaves and infected material. Second, isolate affected plants from healthy ones. Third, maximize airflow around all plants. Fourth, sanitize your entire grow environment with Plant Guard 420. Fifth, apply Plant Guard 420 directly to all plant surfaces. Plant Guard 420 is our proprietary potassium-based hypochlorous acid formula for complete protection from seed to harvest. Lock down your grow environment by dialing in optimal airflow and ensuring strict humidity management. Also, maintain relentless tool and surface sanitation to prevent spread with Grower's Choice Plant Guard. Speed and safety conquer rot. Botrytis moves ruthlessly fast, and harsh chemicals ruin the final product. Using CleanTech protocols ensures safety and preserves your yield. Protect your harvest. Our product eliminates mold and bacteria instantly, is 100% safe for late-stage flower, and was built by growers for growers. Visit growerschoiceplantguard.com to order today.